Hello guys, I am Ajmal Mushraf from studying chemical engineering in Savita Engineering College, and I am here to present a new trending and a very familiar topic where maybe many of them we have learned in school days itself, chemistry in everyday life. We can while hearing these words, we can able to get more about many things, how while wake up from wake up till to bed. In fact, from birth till to grave, all the products we are using, all the way we are using our in our body, many the actions used, all the things are done by the chemistry on the basis of, and everything is the product of the chemistry. From morning we use chemistry. In morning we use toothpaste, which is chemistry product, and at night when we go to bed we burn a coil, which also works as a chemical to keep mosquito far from us. In fact, and I'm saying a little thing basics before going to the slides. It's for digestion relies on the chemical reactions between food and acids and enzymes to break down molecules into nutrients the body can absorb and use. Soap and detergents act as emulsifiers to surround the dirt and grime, so it can be washed away from the clothing industries and our bodies. Medicines are the best examples of chemistry which save us from a disease and make us able to live. They contain the chemical compound, especially it's a maybe interesting and sometimes it's maybe boring. In all the ways we have heard very familiar one, right? Chemistry is a boring subject. Yeah, it's only full of equations, but it, how much it's boring, it's into 100 times. It's very important and necessary to get something about that. In fact, we can relate it to our studies also. The chemistry is associated with medicine. If you go into any medical field, the chemistry is important. And then engineering, we all know that what is going on. In engineering, each and every sector, we have to learn at least the basics of chemistry, then only it can be accepted. And agriculture, it's main for fertilizers and the soil consistency and everything. It has a many role have been played by the chemistry, and other fields are dependent on chemistry, so it is important to know it. And then chemistry makes many things. Say not a chemistry in world, but condition of the world, how we can see, it's a very tragic no. While we will think of it, just think of it. If world without chemistry, what will be there? Even basic soil, it has a many chemical components. Even in our body, our hormones are working on the basis of chemistry. Okay, can't dream it. Clothes, we wear clothes. No clothes. In clothes we have the colors black color, blue color, many of the colors. These are based by the azotype, the chemistry treated in clothes. And then chemistry is useful in their daily lives. So guys, without chemistry, oh, don't think that chemistry will always with us. We can't think, we can't move on without knowing the basic knowledge about chemistry. If what we can say, if a poor people who can't able to get education, he is working for his life from his childhood also, he also knows something about the chemistry, the basic knowledge he have. For an example, if a boy working from his childhood days, maybe as a waiter or a driver or a cleaner, he knows something about chemistry. He know the liquids, what we can say, liquid quantities and the qualities, maybe something else. And all in know about BTech except chemical engineering looks sound without chemistry, but it is a fact that for all type of substances used in Branches like EAE, ENTC, CV, Mechanical, CSE or IT can't be imagined without the average of chemistry. Example, chips in computer is made of carbon and silicon. Electricity is due to the gift in term of electron. Yeah, electron is based in chemistry, no, it only found based in chemistry. Okay, let's we get into the slides. Maybe this session is so boring. Okay, let's we get on some question. Next. Oh, see the slide, man. How many products daily we are using that now? See, bleach, biodiesel, explosive, emulsifier, sulfur, cosmetics, blood. See, our blood. How can we imagine without blood? Blood is a chemical compound now. Next, caffeine, corrosive products, everyday shaving, toothpaste, pollution. We are facing a very, 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 very important to us now because recently in Lebanon the factory has been blasted. Due to that many people have suffered. It has many. Even as I'm studying chemical engineering, basically we have that many engineers are equal to or more than has more power than doctors, because a doctor can treat only one person, but an engineer can treat I mean in the medical field or any other field. If you want to have a food, you have a land, you go. If you have agriculture land, you put rice and take it, you can only eat it. But if an engineer decided to took it to many peoples, they can do work on it, they can supply it segregately and produce in a large amount, because engineers are okay. That's so boring. So let's get into topic. Some of we are using these products daily, and it was across becoming across it. Citric acid, lemon juice, many of them there, many also. Next, food coloring. If you want to go to a bakery, many members will like cake. No, that food coloring, cake, many things also chemistry related only. Next, flavor enhancer, emulsifier, sweetener, preservatives, thickener, blah 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 blah. Next, we can get in some of the food additives because it's a common topic. I like food. Do you like? Do you members also like? I think. Food additives are substances added to food to preserve flavor or improve its taste and appearance. Some additives have been used for centuries, for example, salting using sulfur dioxide as in some wines. Many more additives have been introduced, both natural and artificial origin. Note the point, guys. Note the point. This point. Natural and artificial origin. Chemistry is related both natural and artificial, not only on artificial basis. Next, it's I think so. It may be important to us. Note the points about chemistry in food. Have you seen ingredients named with E-XXX style? These are the European codes for food additives. According to the European legislation, each additive has a specific number. They are called E numbers. Listen, it may be useful if you are going to abroad. If you are using any, if you are buying some chocolates. I too like chocolates. Many of them like chocolates. If you're buying any foreign chocolates in airports, also it's available. And when you're going to big shopping malls, you can buy some foreign chocolates. It may be coded in some that you can understand what they may be, because some of them are some of them have what I would say, some of allergies, like I don't need these vitamins. These vitamins are more in my body, so I can't able. If I add it, it may lead to some other diseases. So it may be useful to those peoples. Next, about chemistry in personal care products, very important. Now in Corona time, only hand washing in every part. No, everywhere. If we go into any hospital, first use the sanitizer, hand wash. Or if we go to any shop, use the sanitizer. If we go to petrol bunk, use the sanitizer. So it may be chemistry playing important role in this way. Deodorant, many of them use deodorant, the fashion itself, mouthwash, shampoo, toothpaste, shaving cream, talcum powder. It's a commonly used products. It's based on the chemistry. You can see that we are facing each and every activities with the basis of chemistry, each and every move. Next, about in chemistry and cosmetics. I don't know more about cosmetics, guys. I just only read about what is in it because I'm not interested in cosmetics. I do hate the cosmetics because it just to enhance the beauty of a person, not to. Okay, let's get into the topic. Cosmetics are substances used to enhance the appearance or odor of the human body. A subset of cosmetics is called makeup, which refers to products intended to change the user's appearance. There are still health concerns regarding the presence of harmful chemicals within these products. See, these point. See, man. See. To many of my sisters, my friends, and blah 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 who are in my opposite gender, please note this point. There are still health concerns regarding the presence of harmful chemicals within these products. How much the chemical are useful, that much it gives a disadvantage also. So be aware of that. Next, lipsticks and lip balm contains oils, beeswax and perfumes. These protect, soften, brighten the lips. As I said, no. How much it's useful, that much it's harmful. Mascaras have a composition based on volatile solvent, beeswax, pigments, iron oxide, and filming polymers. Nail polish is made of lacquer and consists of polymers, solvents, plasticides, colorants, and perfumes. About chemistry in medicine. It's play a major role in the very complicated many topics are there because I'm not that interested in that because it okay. Pharmacy logo in Spain and pharmacy logo in US. It's just for information. Next, about chemistry in medicine. Chemistry is a huge part of medicine, both as diagnostic and treatment tool. Yeah, if we go to doctor, if I had a fever means he or she will check the temperature and will prescribe you some medicines in contents of chemistry. And then if you want to put the injection, the chemical inside the injection. Oh, related to chemistry no. Next, chemistry departments in hospital medical labs analyze blood, urine, etc. for protein, sugar, and other substances. We can see while testing the blood, sugar level, many things. Blood analysis tests the amount of potassium and sodium in our blood. Yeah, it may leads to some other, if it increases or decreases from the neutral level, it may result in some other problems. Do you know how to solve these problems? Toothache, stomachache, insect bites, headache, fever, constipation. These are some common problems, and many of them were not. They have no mindset to spend money to doctor for these small the small things because if we see a poor family he only getting money wage, I mean daily wage, he spend to his family. For how much he saved to spend for the doctors if he get any disease. So we have to get precautioned by the some of the products. It may be not. It's much useful. Next, chemistry in household cleaning products. It may be important. Multi-purpose cleaner, washing machine cleaner, glass surface cleaner, disinfecting bathroom cleaner, stain remover, toilet bowl cleaner. About chemistry in household cleaning products. These are some of the symbols. Be aware of the symbols in your the cleaning agents because you have C corrosive, highly flammable. It's true. Flaps extremely flammable. It means if you are touched, it may result in some other products. Wait a minute. Oxidizing, it's harmful, it's irritant, E explosive, T toxic, T plus very toxic and dangerous for the environment. Please note down. This may help you many more. About chemistry and household cleaning products, it's a basic description. I will shorten the time. Don't worry about it. The chemistry in household cleaning products affects our environment greatly. Yeah, for example, a very common component in cleaning products is chlorine. Chlorine has a gaseous element that can be lethal if large quantities are released into the atmosphere. In fact, we are using drinking water, no, RO waters, that also chlorine added, but it added in a very very little concentration. If we are facing in a very large concentration, it may result in some other problem, so be aware of that. Maximum used to drink a fresh water from bore wells or from rivers or from water, some public tanks. It may be not harmful. Naturals are always not harmful. The most common ingredients in household cleaning products include alkalis, acids, detergents, other or toxic chemicals. Alkalis cause burns and if swallowed can cause internal injuries. Confirm. Acids can irritate and injure the skin and eyes. Caustic household cleaners and can cause severe burning if swallowed or put on the skin. Note it guys. This may be very useful because every in every houses there may be some children's or guests, small children will be there, so be aware of that. Some recap questions: are food additives are always artificial? We think that always artificial, we have learned before. Some of the artificial, some are natural. So our cosmetics and invention from the 20th century is that we are basing it from early days, so it's not a. Is there a chemistry in our bodies? Yeah, we are full of chemistry, hormones, blah blah blah. Mucus is when we get cold, saliva, it's a chemical compound, and for digestion, HCl is segregated in the stomach, it's a chemical compound, blah 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 blah. Is it important to read the label of the product before using it? Yeah, guys. I will show you one more time. It's very important. So be aware of that. Why I am saying is, please be aware. If you are unaware and taking it any advantageously, it may result in some other problems to you, your children, may your generation get those problems. So be aware of that. Okay guys, I so think it's very bored session. Sorry if I bored you. If you get if we got those points, take it and enjoy it and be safe, be in this pandemic situation, and be aware of something else and be a good citizen by doing some other works which is related to your maybe your heart. Okay guys, thank you for watching this.